Mexico traffic, Springfield 750 Super Duties departing runway 36, local flight for Mexico.
Wow, the nose just jumps off the ground, doesn't it?
Yep.
Well, here we are in the STOL CH 750 Super Duty, and I'm Sebastian, and with Roger.
Hi guys.
And this is our last video of the year. We're about to welcome in the new year, 2019. So we thought we'd just do a quick little recap of the past year, and looking forward to the new year. And like I mentioned, we're in our newest design, the STOL CH 750 Super Duty, and that's got the bigger engine up front and the big tires. And this particular airplane's equipped with the Evolution unpanel on there. And before I forget, I have to point out to guys that this is not the standard configuration. I was just talking to somebody on the phone earlier today, and he was saying, you know, he loved the airplane, but he had some reservations. He wasn't quite ready to go all glass. And for those folks, just to know that the standard configuration is still the traditional instrument panel, just like we have in our STOL CH 750 and kind of like the Cruiser as well.
Yeah, it's nice. It gives you a lot of visibility, but some guys like having all the switches on the panel too.
Yeah,
so it's
absolutely, and we're just seeing as well a lot of folks really like this, but they want something in between. You know, still using some of the switches and gauges that they've been familiar with. We've got some pretty low ceiling. How about we pop through and get on top for White Christmas, not White Christmas, but for the winter. Kind of the winter feel out here. We've had on the ground out here. We don't have any snow yet, but we've got some low ceilings today and a little bit of overcast sky. This is end of the year, and you know, January's right around the corner. And what's always the first thing we do in January, Roger?
Go to Sebring.
That's right. That's kind of the start of our year, at least on the air show side. And Sebring is always fun because it's down in sunny Florida, so we'd like to get away from the cold. You know, Missouri's not severe cold, but we definitely do still get cold. And this year again, we'll be bringing our factory workshop to Sebring, so that's always fun for us. It's not just air show stuff, but it's actually doing fun aircraft building and demo flights and so forth. Sebring is always a neat show to go to.
It's like Christmas, see all the lighted towers, and
yeah, that's kind of neat on the glass panel display here. I'll
see they're going from yellow to brown because we're getting higher up.
So looks like little Christmas trees on here, doesn't it? That's kind of fun. And as we can see around here, it's kind of wintry, not snow covered yet, and but we've got some low clouds. We're going to pop over the top side and get a chance to look down on the snow as well, or on the white stuff. Now, 2019 again. This will be our starting our 27th year in business. You know, Zenith Aircraft was formed in 1992, and continue on with manufacturing airplane kits, supplying customers with service and support, and helping them fly. Definitely look forward to doing that.
Oh, yeah.
What other things are we planning on doing for 2019, Roger?
Well, we got lots of air shows, lots of workshops, you know, trying to finish up all these, you know, new models we've come out with.
Right.
And, I'm sure we'll have some added new stuff coming out.
Yeah, we always do it. That's one of the things we enjoy about being in the kit business, is always coming out and doing new things. One of the things we particularly enjoy doing, and it's kind of behind the scenes, but it's always continually improving on the kit, both the drawings and the manuals and instructions on how to put it together, and also importantly on the manufacturing side with the CNC manufacturing, always adding more value to our airplanes. And we have a couple projects up our sleeves that we're not quite ready to talk about yet, but that we'll be introducing in the new year. And now here we're kind of on top now. We can kind of have a bit better look of a bit of snow behind here. We can see one of those round rainbows of our reflection. Beautiful late afternoon at the very end of December, as we about to welcome in the new year.
Squawk traffic, Cherokee 513, leaving us on about a 5-mile final runway 36, 4 top.
And, you know, at the end of the year, we always, again, we want to take the opportunity to thank all our customers for their support over the past years. And then, of course, look forward to the new year, welcoming new customers. Again, like you mentioned, we had some shows coming up, workshops and so forth. So just looking forward to another good year. And again, as we can see, we got clear skies ahead. So we're looking for, again, good weather, good flying, and definitely look forward to helping those customers out there that are still working on their projects. Look forward to helping them build their airplanes, finish their airplanes. You know, in September we have our annual homecoming, the Zenith Open Hangar Days, and again, for those, we want to challenge those builders that are out there that are finishing their airplanes to come out and fly their airplanes to our Open Hangar Day and to meet with us again with the finished airplanes.
Yeah, it'd be really nice to have a lot of the customers fly their planes to our open house. Maybe we can have some special homecoming event and have them come to, you know, open house.
Because, you know, our open house, we started doing it was more to show newcomers, you know, about Zenith and so forth. But it's really turned more into welcoming back, you know, more of a homecoming than anything else. And so we really encourage and look forward to doing more and more activities that way. It's just a fun thing to do for us. Yeah, it's just a beautiful day, isn't it?
It is. Turned out very nice.
And here in the bank, we can really see the great visibility from the top window, beautiful clouds above. And that's one of the things we really enjoy about these airplanes is the amazing visibility we get from them. Easy to fly, just spectacular visibility.
Ooh, that sun's bright.
Yeah, now we're turning right into the sun, into our eyes. And again, the Super Duty, you know, it's basically the same configuration of the cabin as the earlier CH-750 models, the STOL and the Cruiser. But it, again, when that unpanel really opens up the instrument panel, and then in the back we actually have a full rear jump seat in the back. And we're not calling this a 3-seater, but more of a 2-seater plus a jump seat in the back. But as you can see, it's a full-size seat, seat belt, everything, just a good airplane to add more space and more cargo capability. And of course we have 200 horsepower up front with this particular airplane, and as you saw, it just jumps off the ground. And you know, earlier this month we published a video, Roger, with you flying your STOL airplane, and the feedback from that has been really quite outstanding. A lot of customers have loved it. To learn a little bit more about flying their airplane and how to maximize the use of their airplane, but also I think it introduces a lot of new people to what the amount of fun flying that you can get out of these light airplanes. And so I think based on that, as a train.
Okay, that's different.
You think is that Jay in his office playing with the
that means quitting time, doesn't it?
I think so. That's the whistle. That's right. That's a first, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. So we had a lot of good comments about my STOL flying. You know, we didn't do anything extreme, trying to just show your basic, how you can take off and land short, but not be very extreme and very dangerous. So it's
And that's something I think with our other models, I think we'll build on that, because I think definitely, one of the things about these airplanes is having the skills and the ability to fully enjoy flying them, because it's one of those things, if you fly for the way it was they were meant to be flown, they really are relatively easy airplanes to fly, and a lot of fun to fly as well.
Right.
And so we'll look forward to doing that. I guess that whistle is done. I guess it's past quit time, isn't it? That was entertaining, wasn't it?
Yes.
And yeah, just beautiful weather out today. And I assume you've got GPS technology, because I can't see anything where we're supposed to be going.
Oh yeah, there's the brick factory down there.
Yep.
There's the airport right there. We're so high up that...
there we are. Okay.
Not used to being at 4,000 feet.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Already 4,000 feet? Yeah, yeah, wow. Yeah, these airplanes love to climb. Well, I think we're going to wrap up our little talk here, and so again, we thank all of you, all of the new customers we've had this past year, and of course the years before that, and look forward to another good year, 2019. Look forward to meeting with you, and look forward to some great flying weather and some good times. But thanks all.
Yep, thank you guys. Ha ha.